There are four view modes in Apple Maps: Explore, Driving, Transit, and Satellite. As we switch between these, notice that the icon on the button changes to reflect which mode we're in. Explore is good for viewing what businesses and landmarks are in the area currently being viewed on the map. Switch to driving mode and traffic conditions are displayed along with more street names, parking areas, and EV chargers. Switch to transit mode, and in areas that have public transit, those routes are accentuated, with streets and highways fading into the background. Transit stops are also made very obvious. Select one to view a current schedule and more information. The satellite map provides a high-resolution aerial view. Notice that we can turn on or off place labels and traffic conditions while viewing the satellite map. We can quickly cycle through these view modes with the shortcuts Command 1 through Command 4. In most cities, a 3D button will become available as we zoom in. 3D is available in all four view modes. This can be a great way to get a better perspective on a certain area with the extruded buildings and landmarks. Use this slider to adjust the 3D perspective. Click on the 2D button to jump back to the directly overhead view. Use the keyboard shortcut Command D to jump between the 3D and 2D map view. Viewing the map in 3D not only extrudes buildings but terrain as well. This can provide a better idea of how steep a walk or bike ride might get, even if this is not a true topographic map.